They say beginnings are always the hardest, and true enough. But with God, beginning is when life begins. Good morning, church, and good morning, Glory Me. And today, we're going to celebrate that beginning when God has first chosen us.
Glory Me, handa na ba kayo? Are you ready? Are you excited? Welcome to the first year anniversary of Glory Me, King of Kings. At ngayon, sama-sama kayong aawit, magpupuri at magbibigay pasasalamat.
That is right. Today, we're going to celebrate together a year of faithfulness, a year of overflow, and a year of thanksgiving. And also, we're about to witness what King of Kings has in store for all of you. This is King of Kings first year anniversary, first choice from beginning for salvation. Is right. So, again, konti muna kaming, pasasalamat sa inyong patience. Sa lahat po ng sectors, we believe marami pong mga bago ngayon. These don't usually happen, ngayon lang, pasensya na, at maraming salamat po. So, Aldrin, how are you today?
Yung normal, pawis na inihitan. Pero, excited pa rin ako na ma-celebrate natin ang first year anniversary ng King of Kings.
Yes, so tignan muna natin kung sino-sino ba yung mga bisita natin. We will just do the usual roll call! Nasaan po ang Marimi Lamig?
Nasaan po ang mother sector ng KOK, ang faithful sector?
Siyempre, from the land of Jubel, where is Marimi Gracious?
Nasaan po ang ating mga kapatid from joyful sector?
What we really needed today. Where is going to be patience?
Nasaan po ang mga taga-Lord Me Peace?
Of course, syempre, nandyan din ang Joyful Life!
Nandyan din po ang kapatid nating sector from Anointed One.
Nasaan naman po ang Hope? At from Jubel din, nasaan ang Signs and Wonders!
Nasaan po ang mga taga-Kindness? At ang mga kapatid natin sa Good Shepherd.
At may bago ring sector. Ngayon ko lang din siya, nasaan yung Agape? Yeah. And of course, the sector that is celebrating their first year anniversary. Where is Marimi, King of Kings?
On behalf po ng KOK, thank you very much po sa pagpunta dito. Thank you very much for your love and support. At sure tayo na ang heaven ay nagse-celebrate with us dahil magkakasama po tayo sa oras na ito. Thank you po.
And of course, apart from us here in the Loremy family, I am seeing also new faces here. I'm seeing new souls ngayon lang natin nakasama. So we will not ask you to come in front. Can you just stand so we can wave at you? We can welcome you if it's your first time. Can you just please stand? Encourage the new who invites. Yung mga bago natin, marami pa tayong bago natin. Tayo po tayo na. Thank you for standing out. Thank you so much. Thank you. So, sa lahat po na, since you're first time to attend sa ganitong service, sa Loremy, we would like to welcome you first. And we just want to say that this is not a religion. This is not a change of religion. We're just building a relationship with God, a relationship with knowing Him more. And we hope that you will also find your family with us here in Loremy, that you will be able to come back again for more and more and more. So I'm sure next week, your sector will formally welcome you sa next week. But for now, we are glad that you choose to spend your time with us. Thank you very much. Thank you din po sa mga nasa likod. Salamat. Okay, so how you're feeling that we are celebrating our first year anniversary now?
So, syempre, buong linggo excited ako na dumating tong Biyernes na to. Syempre, yung mga ganyan pag hindi natin inaasahan. Pero syempre, makita natin ang pagbuo ng KOK from day 1, from sa flat, hanggang naghanap tayo ng villa, hanggang nakalipat na tayo. So, sobrang Alam niyo yung sinasabi lagi na it's a leap of faith, yung paglipat ng KOK from flat to villa. So yun, sobrang blessed tayo dahil nandiyan mga kapatid na tulong-tulong. And how about you, Kuya Arlon? Anong nararamdaman mo sa mga
So actually, nag-prepare na ako ng sasagot ko kung how do I feel. But honestly, right now, how do I feel that we're celebrating our first anniversary? It is not something that we expect. Hindi anticipate namin. So we thought na okay na lahat. But you know, everything happens for good. Everything happens for good. So meron man naging delays kanina. Maybe sooner or later we will figure out why that happened. But to top it all, I don't want to be overwhelmed by all these things because we're going to miss the reason why we are celebrating our first year. So I'm grateful and happy. Yes.
And so tuloy-tuloy tayo, Kuya Arlon. Sa taon na po ito, ang verse, ay saan ba nagmula ang verse natin, Kuya Arlon? Paki-explain. So, ang verse po na aming napili ay nagmula po sa book of 2 Thessalonians chapter 2 verse 13. So, bakit tayo, Kuya Arlon, nag-come up sa verse na ito?
So, ano mo yung verse?
2 Thessalonians chapter 2 verse 13.
Alright, so it says, we are bound to give thanks always to God for you, brethren, beloved of the Lord, because hath from the beginning chosen you for salvation through sanctification of the Spirit and belief of the truth. So we are being chosen from the very beginning. So from there, we got our theme as first choice. Because from the very beginning, God has chosen us. There were no other else but us. In your sector, for example, in the Loving or your church, your faithful King of Kings, we are being chosen to be here right now since the very beginning. We are not the second choice of God, but we are God's first choice for salvation.
Amen. So,
Amen. Alright.
So God chose us first and He first chose us. Mukhang magkaparehas na po pero magkaiba po siya ng meaning. Pero isang mahalaga naman po ay we are God's first choice.
Yes. Okay pa ba kayo? Parang sobrang tahimik. Okay pa po kayo? Yeah. So last na lang, if there's one thing that we want to submit to all of you is that sometimes we seek for approval of validation for others, but as long as we have been chosen by God, but as long as nakukuha natin yung sa Panginoon, I think that should what should really matter in our lives. So pero tatapusin na lang natin doon because our messenger for today will give you a more message about that. But we are going to give you something na patikim, something positive, something light.
Okay, Kuya Arlon, huwag natin patagalin.
Huwag natin patagalin. Lorimi, for the first time ever, composed by our KOK Praise and Worship Music Ministry. It's an original composed song, and with the story of our KOK production team, here's our KOK Movie Premiere 2019.